Hello everyone, now I am going to explain you new chapter, that chapter number 10, managing files and folder. Files in computer. A computer file is a computer resource for storing data directly in a computer storage device. See, there are many different types of files, that data files, that may be data file, text files, program files, and directory file, and so on. Okay, see, whatever data we are storing in our storage device of our computer directly, that is known as file. It may be software also. Okay, so all softwares which we have stored in our PC, and these all are known as files. Okay, now there are different types of files, that is JPEG, PNG, GIF, PDF, SVG, MP4. So files may be audio, video. Okay, these all are known as file. Now folders in computer. A folder holds one or more files, and a folder can be empty until it is filled. Okay, a folder can also contain other folders, and there can be many levels of folders within folders. Okay, so we can store many more, we can save many more folders in a folder. We can create more folders and we can save our data in the form of folders. We kept many files in a folder. By default it is empty, or we can kept it empty also. See, now saving a file in a folder. How we can save a file in a folder? First we have to create file. First we have to open that application where we want to create a file. Just open Paint and draw a picture. I am drawing a picture of image of hut. Okay, after drawing this picture you have to save it. Just go on File tab. In File tab, click on Save As. As we click on Save As, just select any extension that I want to save it to PNG. So I am selecting this. Click over here, write file name, first file. Okay, and click on Save button. After giving file name, click on Save button. See, I'm giving you again the thing that how we can create a file. Go on File and click on Save As, and just click on JPG or PNG, select that and choose the location where you want to save it. See, in this PC, and if you have created any folder where you want to kept it, choose that folder. If you have not created any folder, you just copy it, you just save it on this PC in document and click on Save button. So I have saved it in document. Again, if I want to open it, as I closed it right now, see, and I want to open it, just go on this PC. In this PC, go on document and search that file, first file. Click over here. As I double click over here, it will open. In the form of photo, you can see it. Like that, we can create a file. This is a file. Now I want to save this file in a folder. So first I have to create a folder. How we can create a folder? Right click over here and just press new. As I click on new, you can see a sub menu will come in front of you. In new, there is first option, that is folder. Click on this folder. As I click on this folder, what happened? A new folder will be created. Default name is new folder. You can change, you can rename it right now. I am giving it my folder. So give the name of this folder by that time only, or if you want to rename it again, you just go on that folder, right click over here and see this option rename. Click over here. As you click here, it will be selected and you can change it by new folder to new folder 1. Okay, like that you can rename it. So how we can create a folder? It's done. In E drive, like that you can create in F drive or G drive. Okay, now I want to copy data, copy a file in a folder. How I can copy or store a file in this folder? Just go on that file, select that file which I have right now created, that is in documents. In documents, select, after right clicking on that file, there is option copy and cut, because you want to move this from this place to in that folder. So cut it. After cutting, go on that E drive where you have created your folder and just open your folder, and here right click over here and click on paste. That file will be pasted over here. You can see in documents there is no file. That first file 1 is not here. Okay, it is in new folder 1. Okay, that first file. Next is that how we can delete a folder. See, just go on this PC and select that folder which you want to delete. Go on E drive, create one more folder like that for deleting. Just go on this and write it down, this one, ABC. You can delete this folder by pressing, just select it and press your delete key of your keypad. As we click on delete key of our keyboard, it will be deleted. Okay, I am again creating a new folder. This folder is new folder only, and right click over here. Second method is this, right click on that folder and here you can see delete option. You can delete by this method. Press, just click over there and it will be deleted. Okay, like that we can delete folder. Next is that how we can rename. As I told you that how we can rename, just right click over here and there is an option rename. Click over here and you can rename this folder. Okay, my folder to XYZ folder. Okay, like that you can rename this folder. Next is that how we can restore deleted file. See, first just go on that folder and delete this file. Right click and press delete. As I delete this file, see my folder right now, this XYZ folder is empty because I have deleted that file which I have been stored here. Right now I have deleted that. Now I want to restore it. whatever we are deleted, it will be stored in our recycle bin. You all know whatever we have deleted right now, these all the files which I have deleted, these all are kept in this recycle bin. Now I want to restore that file. That is, first you have to search that file, go on search box and write down that file name, whatever you want to restore. I want to restore that first file and search it. Just right click over there, and as I right click on that file, you can find this file over here. As you search, click on restore. This file will be removed from recycle bin and it will goes back to its original place. That is, see here we can click on this PC, and in E drive, that XYZ folder, you get back that file because I have restored it. That's why we get back. Okay. Last thing of this chapter, that how we can delete permanently a file from our computer system. See, I am deleting this. As I delete it from this place, it will goes in recycle bin, and I just open recycle bin and I find this in recycle bin. Go in recycle bin and select that file and press delete key, or just right click over here and click on delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? If you want to delete, click on yes button. If you don't want to delete, click on no button. Yes, I want to delete from my computer this file permanently, so I'm just clicking on yes button. Okay, like that we can remove our file from our PC permanently. This is all about your chapter 10. You just try it, do practical, read chapter. Okay.